In today's video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp disappearing message problem. So if you're trying to set a disappearing message and having issues with it, in this video, let's talk about it. So the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have set the correct time of the disappearing message. So within your WhatsApp, simply head over to privacy and then head over to default message timer. So for example, if you want the disappearing message to be enabled for only 24 hours, you need to just tap on the 24 hours option and you should be able to solve this issue. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you'll need to check is if the date and time settings within your device is set correctly. So if it is not set correctly or if it is not set to automatic, you simply need to head over to your date and time settings within your phone and make sure that it is set to automatic. By doing these first two steps alone, you should be able to solve this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to reinstall WhatsApp from your device. This is likely happening due to bugs or glitches. So once you reinstall, you'll have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.